The glasses that you are seeing right now in this video is the XBX 801. Okay, they're not a regular pair of sunglasses, but they look so close to a regular pair of sunglasses. This is XREAL new budget display glasses. And when it comes to budget XR glasses, guys, I'm usually very skeptical, because a lot of time what the companies advertise and what you actually get are completely a different story. Okay, but with the XBX 801, I think you are actually getting pretty close to what's being advertised on the company's website. So if you are new to XR glasses and you are looking for something affordable, I got 5 reasons why I think the XBX 801 is great place for you to start. This is a very entry level XR glasses that should be on your list. And right now, once again, if you are shopping in this kind of category of device, I think there are 2 glasses that you have to look at. You got to look at the RayNeo Air 4 Pro and the XBX 801 by XREAL. So let's get into the video, guys. My 5 reasons. The first one, these glasses actually look like normal pair of sunglasses. The design is beautiful. Okay, one of the biggest problem with XR glasses always been the fact that they look like tech on your face. Okay, the XBX 801 gets very closer to looking like a normal pair of sunglasses. And for new XR users, I think that's extremely important, because you want something you can actually feel comfortable wearing even in public. Number 2, okay, these glasses are very simple and they give you the core XR experience. So if you're buying XR glasses for your first time, this is your first pair of XR glasses, you don't necessarily need every advanced feature that you'll get in like the Vetra Beast or the XREAL 1 Pro or even the XREAL 1S. You just want to connect your phone, your handheld, your laptop, or any other compatible device and get that big screen experience right in front of you. That's what makes XR glasses like the 801 so appealing to people, because you can have your personal 170-inch display right in front of you. You do get the core experience with these glasses without paying for the features that you may never use. Number 3, the display experience is better than you expect. Number 3 is probably the most important thing, because the display, that's the very first thing you're gonna interact with. Budget glasses doesn't mean that they are bad, doesn't mean that the screen doesn't look good. And this is where the 801 surprised me. For watching movies, playing game, or just having a large private display right in front of you, you are getting an experience that feels much better than what I would normally expect from a budget pair of glasses. You're getting something very close to what you get with the XREAL 1S, for example. Number 4, okay, this is a low barrier entry. Low barrier entry. I've tested a lot of XR and VR devices. I don't think your first experience needs to be complicated. You put this thing on, you connect them to your phone, you connect them to whatever device that you get, and immediately easy for you to use. The technology here is not that complicated. It's not a lot of stuff you got to mess with. So for someone who's curious about XR but isn't ready to spend a lot of money, this device, even the RayNeo Air 4 Pro, makes a lot of sense for these type of users. The last reason, guys, the value really is the best reason to really looking at these glasses. Okay, this is where XBX 801 really makes its case. Same thing for the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. You'll get in the design, you get in portability, a great display experience, basic functionality that most new users actually need. So are these going to replace the more expensive XR glasses like the Vetra Beast or the XREAL 1S or XREAL 1 Pro? The answer is no. But that's not what these glasses are trying to do. That's not what XREAL is trying to do. The XBX 801 gives new user really an affordable way to experience what XR display glasses are all about. And that's exactly why I think they are extremely important today for new users. So if you are looking for your first pair of XR glasses, I think the XBX 801 deserve to be on your list, especially alongside the RayNeo Air 4 Pro. The big question is, which one is better? I'm not gonna get into that. Personally, I like the XBX 801. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to subscribe and support the channel. So if you are new here, this was Tech Talk, the channel where I share my personal opinion with you on a weekly basis on the latest tech. Once again, guys, thanks for watching this video. Thanks for stopping by. If you like what you're seeing, come back and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Take care, watch out, see you next time.